Building roads is essential for progress, but managing road construction projects efficiently can be a challenge. From planning and budgeting to execution and monitoring, every detail matters. Introducing road construction software, a smart solution designed to streamline project management, enhance collaboration, and improve efficiency on every job site. With advanced project tracking, automated reporting, and real-time data analysis, this software helps engineers and contractors plan and schedule projects with precision, optimize resource allocation and reduce costs, ensure compliance with safety and regulatory standards, monitor progress in real time with GPS tracking and AI-powered analytics. The software integrates seamlessly with existing workflows, providing detailed insights on materials, labor, and equipment usage. From digital blueprints to predictive maintenance alerts, every tool is designed to keep projects on time and within budget. Transform the way you build roads. Discover how road construction software can enhance efficiency and drive success. Contact us today to learn more.